Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We all know AI is the hottest trend in tech right now, powering everything from ChatGPT to self-driving cars. But have you ever wondered how those incredibly powerful AI chips are actually made? Today, we're diving deep into Lam Research, ticker LRCX, one of the unsung heroes building the very foundation of the AI revolution. Visual, animated graphic of complex microchips, then zoom out to show a factory floor with advanced equipment. On-screen text. Lam Research, LRCX, the AI chip enabler. Section 1. What Lam Research does. The invisible architects of chips. Imagine trying to build a skyscraper that's just a few atoms wide. That's essentially what chip makers are doing today, especially for AI. And Lam Research is a critical architect in that process. They don't make the chips themselves, but they design, manufacture, and service the specialized equipment that does. Visual. Simplified animation showing a silicon wafer being processed, focusing on precise cutting/etching and adding layers. On-screen text. Etching and deposition, nano-level precision. Their superpower lies in two key areas, etching and deposition. Think of etching like incredibly precise, nano-level carving, removing material layer by layer to create intricate patterns. Deposition is the opposite, adding ultra-thin, perfectly controlled layers of new material. These aren't just any chips. We're talking about the super complex 3D chips that stack components vertically, like tiny, super efficient multi-story buildings. Lam Research is a dominant force in these processes, which are becoming even more important as chips get smaller and more powerful. Section 2. The AI connection. Why Lam is crucial for the future. This shift to 3D chips is why Lam Research has moved from being just a cyclical equipment vendor to a core part of the AI infrastructure. The more complex the AI chip, the more Lam specialized tools are needed. Visual. Infographic showing the evolution from planar chips to 3D stacked chips, with labels like GA and HBM. On-screen text. AI demands 3D chips, Lam Research delivers. Here's how AI is directly fueling their growth. Gate-all-around, GA, transistors. These are the next generation of transistors for advanced logic chips. They're inherently 3D, meaning more etching and deposition steps, a massive opportunity for Lam. High bandwidth memory, HBM. This is the super-fast memory essential for AI processors. HBM is made by stacking multiple memory chips on top of each other, connected by tiny, through silicon vias. This process increases the demand for Lam's tools by 30 to 40% per wafer. Advanced packaging. Beyond individual chips, the industry is combining multiple chips into single, powerful packages. This complex integration also requires Lam's precision, material engineering expertise. They're projecting to double their revenue and profit over the next 5 years, largely thanks to these AI-driven trends. Section 3. How Lam makes its money. Stability and growth. Lam Research has two main ways of bringing in revenue, creating a really smart business model. Visual. Pie chart showing systems versus CSBG revenue split for FY 2025. On-screen text. Revenue streams, new equipment, and steady services. 1. Systems, 62.3% of FY 2025 revenue. This is the sale of brand new, cutting-edge equipment to chipmakers expanding capacity or adopting new technologies. This segment rides the wave of tech transitions, like the AI boom we just discussed. 2. Customer Support Business Group, or CSBG, 37.7% of FY 2025 revenue. This is their secret sauce for stability. CSBG provides spare parts, equipment upgrades, and maintenance services. It's a high-margin, recurring revenue stream that keeps profits flowing even if new equipment sales slow down. They have over 100,000 systems installed globally, generating consistent income. Section 4. The financial snapshot. Growth and profitability. Looking at their financials, Lam Research has seen impressive growth, even through industry cycles. After a slight dip in 2024 due to a memory market downturn, they posted a record-breaking 2025, with revenue up 23.7% and net income soaring 40%. Visual bar chart showing Lam Research's revenue and net income growth from 2021 to 2025. On-screen text. Financial strength. Strong rebound in 2025. When compared to its primary competitor, Applied Materials, AMAT, Lam Research shows strong performance. While Applied Materials has a larger overall revenue due to a broader product range, Lam often exhibits higher growth rates during these crucial technology shifts, like the current AI-driven one. Visual. Simple comparison table of LRCX versus Applied Materials for key metrics like revenue growth, net income, ROE. On-screen text. LRCX versus Applied Materials. Focused growth versus broad market. Lam also boasts superior profitability with a gross margin of 50.6% and a remarkable return on equity, ROE, of 54.3% in FY 2025, much higher than AMAT's 38.9%. This shows they're incredibly efficient at turning investor capital into profit. For shareholders, Lam balances heavy R&D investment with returning capital. While their dividend yield is modest, around 0.47%, they've consistently increased it for 11 years, and they actively buy back shares, significantly boosting shareholder value. Section 5. Key risks to watch out for. No investment comes without risks. For Lam Research, there are two big ones to keep an eye on. Visual, graphic illustrating geopolitical risks, with world map, and industry cyclicality, with a wavy line chart. On-screen text. Risks, geopolitics, and market swings. 1. Geopolitical friction. China has historically been a huge market for Lam, but ongoing U.S. export controls and trade restrictions pose a significant risk. While Lam is adapting by focusing on other regions and less restricted equipment for China, any expansion of these bans could impact revenue. 2. Industry cyclicality. Even with AI, the semiconductor industry is known for its boom and bust cycles. A global economic slowdown could still lead to reduced spending by chipmakers, impacting Lam's sales. Section 6. The investment angle, growth or value. So, if you're looking at the semiconductor equipment space, Lam Research presents a compelling, concentrated growth story. Visual, split screen with growth investor on one side, value investor on the other. On-screen text. LRCX, the AI growth play. If you're a growth investor, Lam Research is a direct play on the AI infrastructure build-out. Their dominance in high-precision etching and deposition for 3D chips, GA, HBM, and advanced packaging makes them indispensable. They offer higher growth potential, superior profitability, and are poised to capture significant market share in the most advanced segments. If you're a value investor, you might lean more towards a company like Applied Materials, which offers broader market exposure and less volatility. Lam Research is at the heart of how next-generation chips are being made. Their technology is critical, enabling more powerful AI, and positioning them for significant structural growth for years to come. Conclusion and summary. Lam Research, LRCX, is more than just a semiconductor equipment company. They are a fundamental enabler of the AI era. As chips become increasingly 3D and complex, Lam's specialized tools become even more indispensable. Despite geopolitical headwinds and industry cycles, their strong market position, recurring service revenue, and clear growth drivers make them a crucial player in the future of technology. Visual, Lam Research logo with stock ticker LRCX. On-screen text. Lam Research, LRCX essential for AI. high growth potential. What do you think about Lam Research? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the companies shaping our future. See you next time.